Resell web hosting in 4 simple steps. Reseller hosting is fast gaining popularity as it offers hosting with customized plans to suit different businesses. It also makes for an alternate income stream for freelance web professionals and small web development companies. It does not involve the high upfront costs usually associated with web hosting, so it's easy to start. There is no infrastructure to take care of, and no associated costs such as maintenance and upkeep. Here are 4 simple steps to resell web hosting and make an easily sustainable business of it. Choose a hosting provider. Your hosting provider must have a strong infrastructure, as your reseller hosting business will run on that. Choose a provider who has a solid reputation and is capable of providing a reliable hosting setup. Create customized plans. One of the biggest advantages of reseller hosting is the ability to offer customized hosting plans. Create fluid hosting plans which can be fine-tuned as per your customer's requirements for maximum benefits. Configure and test your systems. If your website doesn't work as it is supposed to, it will drive away any potential customers. Set up your website and test it thoroughly before making it live to ensure that it is working. Market your business. Now that your backend and infrastructure is set up, it is now time to start selling your services. Use social media and other digital platforms to market your reseller hosting business for the widest reach. Reseller Club delivers a performance-optimized reseller hosting solution that's backed by 24/7 expert support. Get free hosting migration, seamless upgrades and industry-leading protection for your reseller hosting business.